What up, Glam Fam?
What up, Glam Fam?
Welcome to our channel. I'm Kristen.
And I'm Lindsay.
And I am Blindfolded. And we are 5678 Glam.
So if you're wondering why I look like this, Kristen did my makeup blindfolded.
And if you're wondering why I'm blindfolded, it's because I did Lindsay's makeup blindfolded. And this is what happened. Step-by-step tutorial, you will get all the tips and tricks to get the hottest look of the year.
And we use all brushes from Sticks and Sponges.
So if you would like to see how I created this look, just keep watching.
Okay, so to start this challenge, I'm going to put this around my head.
And I'm going to put this on to hide my vision.
I'm nervous. Are you nervous?
Are you nervous? I'm excited. I think I'm going to create a beautiful masterpiece.
Jeez, I hope. Listen, I have to go out afterwards, so.
Oh. I can't see anything.
I picked out a bunch of my favorites, so I'm going to hand Kristen the makeup item and then any tools that she needs. So
first things first.
This is the Fenty Beauty Primer.
Well, I'm home for two.
Two, might as well. Good, perfect.
Oh, this feels nice. Feels expensive.
Expensive. Maybe I look like Rihanna.
My cheeks. Okay, so this first, if you're applying makeup to somebody, you want to just make sure you get it all over. Mostly the cheeks, and then the nose, and definitely the T-zone area. Make sure you rub it in. We want a nice base before we add our foundation, and we want it to last all day.
I'm sorry.
Don't neglect the neck either. Make sure you bring it down the neck.
Yes, that's right.
I'm feeling like it's working pretty good right now.
It feels so moisturized. I feel like you got everywhere, which is good.
I know, because I'm a pro. Sticks and Sponges. Look at our shirts. Keep your sticks clean. This is a foundation brush from Sticks and Sponges. I can tell it's the green vegan hue collection.
Yes, how did you know?
Because I know.
And then she's gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation.
It's a little goopy.
Okay, that is enough.
You want to take your brush and you want to just
doop.
Awesome. Need some more on the other side.
For sure.
I'm just patting it on and then getting it all in the spots I want it to be. Don't neglect the neck. Hashtag don't neglect the neck. And next what I'm going to do is spin it in. You don't want any streaks, so you want to go in like a circular motion. Artist is at work.
True. It's in the shade 203, Nude Beige. Don't really know if it's my shade or not, but
we can tell it's your shade right now.
This is the Tarte Shape Tape in Light Neutral.
The way I like to apply concealer is I like to do it in a triangle shape underneath the eye. Same. Underneath the eye in a V. In a V underneath the eye.
There it goes.
Then you want to go down the nose to highlight.
Chin too.
No, the forehead.
Yes, that's the forehead. So as you can see, concealer is in the perfect spots.
You're going to take this little brush we have here and you're going to pat it in. We don't want any creasing, so definitely look up.
No.
And then sometimes we can even take it on the eye to prime.
Yeah, okay, so we're not going to use eye primer for this. There's enough concealer on my face
for a village.
And if you have a big forehead, don't use as much concealer on your forehead.
We don't need no 5-head.
Solamente cuatro.
We don't want any harsh lines. Circular motions. As the experts say, like myself.
Yes. Okay, so I'm giving her the IBY contour that was both of our favorites.
I know for a fact it's the top middle shade because I am just memory.
You know it. A little bit lower. There. Yep. Swirl it in there. Tap off the excess. Tap, tap, tap.
I already feel like it's coming together.
It is.
You look awake. You look perfect for back to school. At the same time.
That's
We're setting the concealer on the chin. This is a bronzer.
Right. I'm going to give her this big fluffy brush for bronzer. There you are. And this is the Morphe bronzer that I got at Ulta.
We're going to start at the forehead, and we're going to swirl it up here, and then we're going to go down the cheek and down the neck. And that's how we bronze.
Here is a contour brush. See how nice and chiseled it is? Again, from the Jessup collection. There you go.
From Sticks and Sponges. Ear, cheek.
Yep. There, yes. Look at that.
And make sure when you're contouring, you blend up. Because if you blend down, it's just going to look a little muddy. Good?
Okay. Looking good. What would you like next?
Do you mean it?
No, seriously, I'm not even kidding. Honestly, guys, how is she doing? Give us a thumbs up below if you think Kristen's doing a good job.
Give us a thumbs up if you want me to do your makeup blindfolded for any occasion.
Yes.
Any occasion.
And we're using the Cargo Blush in the shade Cable Beach, and we got this in our BoxyCharm. So I'll open it for you.
No, oh, by all means. This is just a nice nude orange shade.
Our shimmers.
And there are shimmers, so it's perfect. She's gonna look like a glowing goddess.
The Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and Amrezy collab. And this is the most gorgeous highlighter, so I can't wait. Hopefully I'll look like Amrezy after this tutorial.
I know you will.
Beautiful, it's glowing. I want extra highlight.
I know, don't worry.
This is my favorite stuff.
And you bring it up.
Right.
She wants a lot, so we're just gonna keep piling it on. Tops of the cheeks.
Nope, that's the headband. Headband.
I don't know where it starts.
You don't feel the texture is different?
No.
Because this palette has so many shades, I'm going to give her the Jaclyn Hill palette to use. So many different ways this could go.
So I have a feeling, I promise I don't know, but I have a feeling that we're doing some neutrals up here because I know Jaclyn, she set it up real nice. I'm just gonna let the wind take me into this shade as a transition shade. Wait, did we prime? We didn't prime.
No,
oh, you're right.
We
This
primed
is
with
this.
the concealer.
So I'm gonna go into that transition shade right here. That's enough.
Tap off the excess. Yep.
And you're gonna look for the crease. You're gonna feel the bone, and that's where the crease is. So the big fluffy brush is gonna go right in that spot. This is gonna be a nice shade to start the look. I think we're gonna go for a nighttime smoky eye. With this look, I want you to just slay.
Yes, I'm going out to dinner later, so that would be perfect.
Okay, good. You know, I'm not cheap. I'm gonna charge you big for this look.
You want to start out with a neutral crease shade?
I know it's not!
No, it's a neutral.
Good. Fall appropriate?
Yes.
Getting into fall, so I want this to be like a spicy fall glam. We're gonna hit all corners of the palette today. I'm gonna go in here and get a little bit of a darker shade, and I'm gonna layer that on top.
Yes.
To help intensify the look a little bit. Same area, right on top of what we applied.
The weather is transitioning, our eyeshadow is transitioning. Absolutely.
This look is Glam Girl approved. This is my first time ever using this palette, so.
Well, first impression, how do you like it?
Are you taking notes?
So another smaller brush. Yes.
This is this shade.
Yep, dark.
I'm a world-class makeup artist.
Seriously.
I went to makeup school. I'm an MUA.
What?
We need a lid shade now. Jaclyn Hill eyeshadows do not need to be wet. This is shimmer. So with your finger, this is just going to give it a much more intense foiled look.
Yep. Shimmer shade.
Same thing on the other eye. Are you looking intense enough?
I would say so. I'm going to give her this flat angled definer brush.
Go into this shade here and the darker shade over here. I'm going to be really careful. You just want to blend this to make it all smoky on the bottom. Next, I would like a liquid eyeliner for a wing.
Oh, this should be good. So for liquid liner, one of my favorites is the Galactic. It is the Precise Eyeliner Marker. It's like a felt tip. We can't talk.
No. Silence. Absolute silence. They will be even.
And out.
No, I didn't flick it yet. That's just the line. that's the first step.
All right.
There are multiple steps to doing wings. You don't want the wings flying long. And then you want to connect them, right?
I'm gonna have you go.
I didn't fill it in yet though.
Oh, you didn't.
After you do the line, then you do the flick, then you connect it. Then you have to fill in the empty spots. So
Oh, okay. Good.
Here we are. This is where the wings started. So you want to just color it in.
I don't know why people have such difficulty with winged eyeliner.
I don't either.
You could do it's so easy. You could do blindfolded. Try to make an exact replica.
Do you know who I am? My wings are always inner corner.
Okay.
Starting from the inner corner out.
Out. Good. Eyeball.
This is how I'm gonna gauge it.
Where are you? Where are you truly?
Don't fire me.
That is so straight. Right, so fill it in.
Sometimes you just get it on your finger and it's good.
Oh, go back on my shirt. Keep your shirts clean.
And you want to connect it on the lid.
Perfect.
And that's how you do a wing.
That is how.
Sharp enough to cut.
Perfect and precise. I'm going to give Kristen the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. This is her favorite, so I think that she will apply it really well.
Muscle memory. So we're not going to curl your lashes? I can't see what you're doing.
I'd say no. We're not going to curl my lashes. Oh, great.
I know you're going to want to close your eyes because you're going to feel something coming towards you.
Okay.
But just don't.
I trust you.
I feel them.
So now we're going to move on to brows, and this is one of my favorite brow products because I really like the shade of it. This is from Chella, and this is the Tantalizing Taupe eyebrow color.
Here's the brows.
Please help me, girl.
I'm gonna. So how I like to do my brows is I draw a line on the bottom, and then I blend it back. Can the audience see what I'm doing? So here's the arch. And then you connect it, and then you want to keep filling through there. Hair-like strokes. Almost done! The look is almost completed. The brows really shape the face. It's all coming together.
It is. So this we also got in our BoxyCharm. It's the Adesse. It's the high definition liquid lipstick because we're not playing games here today. And this is in the shade.
Do you want me to read it?
How would you describe this shade?
I would describe this shade. It's like a nice darker nude, a hint of maybe a little bit of pink in it.
Because you're so good, I don't think you even need a lip liner.
No. It would insult me if you gave a lip liner.
Does it smell?
Has a good smell. Using my other senses. I like to do the bottom lip first. We're overlining today. We want the... Why'd you move away? So we want the Kylie lip today. The thing is, I put my finger here, but I don't know where the pen goes.
Beautiful. More? Are you kidding? On the count of 3.
Can I take this off?
Are you ready, guys?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. No!
Yes!
Oh, no. I'm really sorry.
So what do you think? What are you sorry about? Look how good this looks, guys. What do you think?
I think we're going to go step by step with where we started. Not even kidding, the skin does not look that bad. It looks blended. Like it looks
does.
blended.
Yeah, those brush, I'm telling you, it's the brushes. So then you nailed the contour.
The contour is sick.
Look.
That's a good contour.
Mm-hmm.
I want my contour to look like that every day.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, the 2 eyeshadow, like the purple and the...
It
really is a fall look, let me tell you. This eye is a nice fall look.
Mm-hmm.
This, I don't know what happened. This eye looks like you were confused. This looks like something I did when I was in maybe 10th grade. That was how I did my eyeliner. So no wonder it came back. That is if you have a football game next. So.
Right. And the eyebrows, I mean, you can see the hair-like strokes. They're just...
like strokes are there.
The lipstick, I mean...
Okay, we're going to have to talk about that for a second.
It's a nice shade.
It's a nice shade. It's a nice shade on your chin.
It's eyeliner.
It really is overdrawn. You're welcome. You know what? I'm not sorry anymore.
I don't even know how can I repay you? I mean, really?
This wing, like, look, it's sharp. That wing is sharp.
Yeah.
And I took some of it with me. We hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as we enjoyed filming this. It was so much fun. It was really hard. It's really, really hard. I tried my hardest. I don't know what happened here. But I tried.
She did. If you'd like to see more challenges on our channel, you can leave your ideas in the comments below, or you can follow us on Instagram.
We've been posting polls. This is the most requested video we've ever had.
If you're wondering why we did this, you voted for it.
It's what you wanted.
Your fault. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
Bye! This can potentially be dangerous, but I trust you.
I'm gonna be safe. And right now what I'm doing is just patting.
I'll just close my eyes because it's safer. It's my eyeball. I'm gonna look up.
Good.
And then I'm gonna close my eye just because you're gonna look close to the eyeball. Sorry.
Not anymore. You lost an eye. Close your eye.
That's my eye closed. Sorry, just went a little in my eye, but it's fine. I think it's waterproof.
Okay, I'm sorry. I can't. I can't tell. this is. After all, I'm not done yet.
Okay.
I'm not done.
Okay. What do you set with the e.l.f.?
I look good.
I'm gonna start out
My
with
eyes are shut.
a big fluffy brush.
They're shut.
Big fluffy brush from. If you clicked out, click back.
They didn't click out. They're learning. It's an educational video.
Okay, okay, I'm gonna have you open it. Can you do this again for me tomorrow?
Sure.
Thank you. Hey, sweetheart. I think it's funny if you like to see how I got this look. Like, look at me.
Yeah. I love it.